Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and today we're back to that little place I used to have on the road to nowhere. The cafe where all the stars would come in, and I was Dave, chef to the stars. This day, Kristen Stewart walked in and said, "I need a pork attack." So I said, okay, and I made this sandwich. First thing I did was make a little bit of an A1 peppercorn mayo. So about a half a cup of mayo, about 2 tablespoons or so of steak sauce, and pepper. And, of course, a little bit of salt to taste. And then just tiny whisked all this together, and then popped it in the fridge, and then got to work on the sandwich. And now we assemble the sandwich. Here we have some lovely Virginia ham that we're going to add to one side of our slightly toasted sub rolls. And then we want to add some bacon. And then this is a leftover pork loin that I roasted up and then sliced up on my deli slicer. Put that on there. The pork loin was for another dish, but again, always try to find another use for leftovers. And then we want to add some bacon on top of that as well. And then we want to add to both sides of these hoagies some Gouda cheese. And then pop this back into a 350 to 400 degree oven until the cheese is all nice, melty, gooey, and ooey. Okay, after a couple of minutes in the oven, you should be looking at something like this. But we're not quite done yet. And now we want to top this off with some of that A1 peppercorn mayo that I made. All right, and then just add some shreddis and pop the top on, and you're done. And when I presented this to Miss Stewart, she absolutely loved it. Although what her and my waitress were doing with each other would probably make the devil throw up. But, they seem to be in on it. Alright, so that's Kristen Stewart's Pork Attack. Done.